Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. For the returning subscribers, keep coming back and watching my video. So today I'm going to do a mini unboxing video. Yesterday I went for some shopping and I wanted to show you guys what I bought. So I went to a store in Two Rivers and this is what I got. So here is the package. For those who know the brand, know they have nice and quality shoes. So it is a box full of shoes. So this is what exactly I bought. Here is the receipt. For those who wanted to know, here is the receipt. So I bought 3 pairs of shoes and I can start with one. So here is the box, the first box. This is how it goes. Then it also has an image of the shoe. You can see the shoe. And I really like the quality of the shoe. Let me show you guys. Here is the shoe. Here is the shoe. Up close. It's called Kinetic. It's even written here. Here is the tag. That's how it looks. And I really like this one. And let me see the price tag. Does it have a price tag here? Not on that, but I'm sure the receipt can tell me more. So for this one, it was, wait, where is now which is which? It was 3,299 for that single pair. And I tell you, I've bought shoes from this place and they do last and they are very nice. That's the first pair. The second pair is like my favorite. Hey, look at the box. The box, it's even written Flow from the shop where I got it. I'm going to attach an image of the shop. Here it's in Two Rivers. So this is the second pair. And my God. Ooh! Let me see. Here is the shoe. Look how pretty the shoe is. Look guys, it's written what inside? It's written Flotomic, like just like the name. It looks like the Nikes, but I don't know if the which type. But these ones, they're so cute. Then they have this maroon glitter. This all is glitter and looks so cute. I'm gonna put images when I'm trying in the shoes. Then no, this is not the fitting was a bit big, so I had to buy, no, it's written Butigo, the shoe. I had to buy this insole, and this insole was going for, oh, I have 2 receipts. The install was going for 899, and I like it. Makes the it feels so soft and spongy, and I really like it. So those shoes were going for 3,799 for that pair, and I really like it. It's quite strong, and the attendant, the attendant told me that to keep the shoes white, I should buy the, is it what, something to make the color retain to white, and for the shoe not to change color, something like that. So here is the thing that he advised me to buy. Here, still from the same shop, it's written Flow, and it's like, it was going for 329 for this one. It is like a sponge with some liquid soap here. It's even shown here for the type of shoe, this type of shoe. Like you can compare. It's written, it's shown. Like to keep it white, then for you spray with this. Let me show you. It was going for 599. You see even here, you spray it, it removes the lines, the creases, the marks, so the shoe remains white. This one was 599 and the other one was, I think, 399. No, 329. That was my second pair. The third pair now. This one was a bit more expensive compared to the others. And here is the box. It's still from Kinetic. I bought 2 Kinetics, then one from Flo. That's Kinetic. Then, oh, I need, here it's how the shoe looks from the box. It's very, very, very nice and very comfortable. This one was on sale. Here is the shoe. Here is the shoe. Here is the shoe. It was like the last pair remaining. That was almost the same size as mine. So this is the shoe. You see, it has the sale tag on. I took the sale. Ideally, it was going for 5,000. You can see 5,699, but I bought it at 4,299. There it is. Very nice shoe, good quality. It's breathable. You can even, by touching, you can feel it's a nice quality shoe. And look how the back looks. I really, really, really liked it. I'm going to put a photo when I tried them on for you guys to see the picture of how the shoes were, because I had to fit before I bought, because some had a bigger fitting, others a smaller fitting, and also what was on stock is what I wanted, and some of them didn't have my size, so we had to downsize for me to get a shoe that fits. So the total I spent on that store, adding the shoe cleaner and the spray, it was 13,224, and I'm so happy for the purchase. This is courtesy of my hubby. I've been complaining I didn't have shoes, so he gave me the money and told me to go look for what I like. I went to Bata as well. They didn't have nice ones. Umoja, I didn't like what they had. Woolworths, I didn't like their type, their variety of shoes. So Flo is where I bought everything. Then I went to Carrefour 2 Rivers. Wanted to look for Velveta. For those who know Velveta, the stain removal liquid. Come here, talk about it. So in Carrefour, I just bought a chocolate, and then I left because they didn't have what I wanted. Then I passed by a cat shop. As you know, I'm a cat lover, and I wanted to treat my cat, so I bought this. I bought cat treats. These ones were 260. And imagine my cats are not even eating them. They are just looking at them over here. I felt so disappointed. But that's it. That's all I spent for my haul. And I will keep doing mini hauls as I shop around. And guys, please subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, and please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Bye.